Welcome to the Slido Host mode. You can get started by clicking any of the interaction tiles you see here. Let's add Audience Q&A first, and you can see the Q&A settings pop up automatically on the right. Then let's click the Add New button to create another interaction. Let's select a word cloud. Once you've finished typing, the poll will auto-save. Poll settings can be found to the right. Once your poll is ready, you'll see it under the My Interactions list. You can start it from here or from the control panel below. Here you can also view and test your Slido as a participant and access present mode to screen share your Slido results in real time. The share button on the top right hand corner lets you copy the Slido joining link or QR code for your participants. And finally, you can find your analytics and settings tabs on the left hand side.